Hello, good day. It's Gabriela, Milian, your favorite soft lifestyle guide, soft life girly. I didn't feel like doing a whole setup because I am in a bit of a rush. We are going to see the birthing center that I will probably be giving birth in. And I want to just do my quick everyday, I call this my finger makeup because I don't like putting a full face of makeup on all the time. So I'm just getting out all of the things that I use because I literally just use my finger. I don't like cleaning my makeup brushes all the time, which you're supposed to clean your makeup brushes after every single use. So because I don't like doing that, I pretty much use my fingers for all the other days that I'm not wearing like a full face of makeup. So do we have everything? I think so. So I always start with curling my lashes. I have the windows open because it's so nice. It's kind of like feeling like fall. So if you hear a lot of outside noise, my apologies. And we're just gonna go in. Ooh, let's turn this on. Ooh, I can see. And we are going to curl the lashes. The lashes are curled. And then, oh, there's some construction going on like down the street. You could probably hear all that noise. Now let's brush the eyebrows. First, I brush them straight with this like little needly comb. And now we're gonna brush them upwards. I might get like an eyebrow gel to keep my eyebrows in this position. I do feel like it lifts the face. Nice. I do have to be careful with these little needly things because they can scratch you. I've scratched myself like pretty well with these things because I was being reckless. Comment below if there's any nice clear eyebrow gel that you like to use to keep these brows at bay. Man, I can hear all the planes today too. I usually don't hear it like that. Next, because we are doing no foundation, just a little finger makeup, I take the Ilia Beauty bronzer. This is the bronzer in Uptown, the Nightlight Bronzing Powder, and I just take my finger. Actually, I'm gonna use my middle finger so that I can use my pointer for the blush. Take my finger and I'm just gonna zoom, 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 zoom. Like a little contour, little bronzy browns. Nothing crazy, just to add a little depth to the face. The light is not coming in as strong from my bedroom window. That's how I usually do my makeup. So, actually, let me put on a little chapstick. This is the Evan Healy Rose Vetiver Harmonizing Balm. I really like this one. I've had it for a while, and I've got some dry skin under my nose, so I'm even gonna put it there. Then we're gonna do a little on the side of the nose, nothing crazy. And then blend this out on my forehead. Do a little on the forehead. Fabulous. Let's put these guys away. Then I take this, it's like a retractable eyeliner. I think it's from Maybelline, but I've had this for so long, there's no lettering on the container anymore. So I take this and I put this on my upper waterline. Oh, I forgot to put a little bronzer on as like eyeshadow, just a little bit to add some color to the eyes. Look alive. All this with my finger. And then we've got some Ilia Volumizing Mascara. Ooh. Caught it. Let's Get a little mascara. Ooh. All right, now I look more awake and alive. Then we're gonna take this Phase Zero Making Moves blusher that cracked, so I mixed with Vaseline. I always have a hard time opening this. Here it is. I love this. And I use this as like a blush slash highlight. I use the pointer finger since I use my middle finger for the bronzer. And I'm gonna put it all up in here. So it's very creamy. It has like a little shimmer, a little glow to it. Add a little rosiness to the cheeks without going crazy. And then I use a little bit on my lips. And I'll put this in my purse to take with me. That is my 5-minute everyday finger makeup that I pretty much do just to kind of look alive. I like putting on a little bit of makeup, but I don't like putting on full foundation every day. So I feel like this is a great way just to kind of put some makeup on, look awake, because especially if I don't do my eye makeup, I feel like I look a little sleepy. And we're ready to take on the day.